The story of the Taumata is about the story of Tamatea, Pokai Whenua, finding out that his brother had been killed in a battle, and the story has him climbing up the maunga and playing his kōauau and looking out over the lands and over the ocean, Te moana nui a kiwa, and sending his love out to the spirit of his lost loved one.
Kia mātou, o poranga hau, ko tōna kōaua he mea whakatangi mo tōna tainga. But us here in poranga hau, it's a story about lament and acknowledging the death of his younger brother and heralding and taking that spirit back to its tupuna.
Tamatea Pokai Whenua, Tamatea Pokai moana, Tamatea Tawhirimatea, and as the name suggests, he was an explorer. He was a traveller over land and sea. He named places, places were named after him, and the people here are direct descendants of Tamatea Pokai Whenua. And now kōrero, ki rungi te marae, Tamatea is always spoken of.